Nothing boat checks, y'all. Nothing boat checks. It's freaking crazy. Luckily the nut was still just sitting here. But yeah, that ain't even. Look at my mount now. It should still work perfectly fine, but that's crazy. Everything else looks to be fine. Not seeing nothing else loose or anything like that. But yeah, you just really gotta do your nut and bolt checks every time you get ready to drive your car. Really, I need a marker to mark them so I can see, you know, if they've been moving or anything. Because I had no idea that had even moved until I just came and popped my hood and seen it. So, yeah, be careful out there. Y'all, we got some smoke with an ISF. I'm low-key nervous because of that bolt on my motor mount. Go ahead. So much, dude. Yeah, I span way too much. I think if I had a better launch, because he span a lot too, but I do think I probably could have got him if I had a better launch. Go ahead. 3 honks.
Wait, so how far we go down? Like, I let go? I didn't know how long this thing was.
Yeah, I just went until I reached out, I maxed out 4th gear. Alright. Hold on. Alright. Literally neck and neck the whole time. I'm dead. Oh man, look at these niggas still sitting here, just chilling.
Yeah.
I like it. I enjoy
That
it.
one back there looks like literally my dog.
Really?
I'm serious. These look like nice dogs. It's kind of fucked up that. Yeah.
That they just out here. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try to get this WRX to race me. I don't know if he will or not. But I'm gonna try it. Probably not because it's a car behind us. At least 3 of them. Or at least 2 of them. It might be 3. So he probably ain't gonna do it. But I'm gonna try it. Pretty sure I would win unless he got something crazy. Nah, he don't want no smoke. I tried it. He wasn't with it. It looked familiar. Yes, sir. So, that was my homie Jerry's Lexus ISF. Those things is like 400 horsepower, 300 and something torque. They no joke. They not slow cars. That race was really close. I feel like we both probably could have had a better launch on that last race, but man, it was so close. Like, honestly, if I would have just aired my tires down just a little bit, I probably would have been able to get them, because I did air my tires back up to 33 psi. So if I would have dropped them down to like 28, yeah, I think I probably would have been able to get them. But most likely we'll end up running it back again eventually. We gonna see about that, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up running it back again eventually, and we're gonna have some other things coming soon too. So just stay tuned, y'all. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out tremendously. Yeah.